Hello guys, this time we're gonna do the sounds quiz. So get ready, you'll only have 5 seconds to answer them each. Number 1. This clock has a very loud tick. Number 2. Don't get a handkerchief and blow your nose. Sniff. Number 3. To download this new software, you just on the download icon. Click. Number 4. There was as he jumped into the swimming pool. Splash. Number 5. The snake reared its head and gave an angry hiss. And the last one, number 6. Don't the door. Close it gently. What do you think the sound were here? Please leave your ideas in the comments.